These are the oxygen analyzers used in anesthesia machines. The first type is called paramagnetic oximetry. Since oxygen is highly paramagnetic with 6 unpaired electrons, you can switch magnetic fields to change the attraction of oxygen. This changes the partial pressure of oxygen in a sample line, and you can measure that difference. You don't need to calibrate this method. The next two types are called Galvanic and Clark cells. Oxygen produces a current after passing through a permeable membrane. The electrode metals are what changes between the Galvanic and the Clark cell, but the end effect is the same. You can measure the current that passes between these two electrodes. This one does not need a battery. This one does need a battery. The last type is Polarographic. Oxygen passes through a permeable membrane here for a reduction reaction. That reduction reaction then creates a current, and you can measure that current, and it's proportional to the number of oxygen molecules surrounding the electrode. This one also does not need calibration. These oxygen analyzers are important because they make sure that you do not give a hypoxic mixture to the patient. Other gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, sevoflurane, isoflurane, and desflurane are measured with infrared absorption spectrophotometry, which does not work for oxygen or nitrogen gas because they are nonpolar.